Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for ABBC coin. Now, as always, our key level criteria. We look for swing highs and swing lows. Multiple rejections acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can notice on the monthly chart is quite obvious to spot here. These two swing highs, which is clear to see price come up, hit, reverse. You see price come up, hit, reverse, the same key level over here. We can also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low. It's the lowest point price came as price came down, hit, and reversed drastically. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly chart. So, here on the weekly, what do we see? We can go ahead and plot this key level right here, which is obvious to spot from the candle closes as price reverses drastically. Price comes up, hit, reverse, and we notice a long wick hit the same key level over here. Now, we can also go ahead and plot a key level right here, and we're going to go ahead and draw in a zone. As we see price come down, hit, reverse, acting as support. As price breaks through the level, we see it acting as resistance. As price comes back down, we see it acting as support, resistance, support, support. And if we see price reverse from here as it comes up, we will expect to see another reaction at the same key level. Now, right below it, we also notice another key level. Let's go ahead and draw in another zone. We can see as price comes down, hits, reverses, acting as support. We see it act as support again. As it breaks through, acts as resistance. And we see as price breaks through over here, the same key level is acting as resistance. So, zooming out, these are all the key levels plotted on our chart. Go ahead and pause this video and go plot it on your own chart. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.